Emma, what are we doing?
Blueberry picking.
No, not blueberries. What are we picking?
Strawberry picking.
Strawberry picking. There we go. Today we are out and about at Deverdent Farms in Goffstown. We're picking strawberries because although our little patch is mighty, it doesn't give us everything we need to make our jams and jellies for the year as far as strawberries go. So we got to pick a few extra. So that's what we're doing today.
Yeah, some strawberries.
Strawberry.
Bought our last pack of strawberries at the grocery store this week then, I guess.
Yep. Emma, there's no way they're going to believe that we weren't eating strawberries. Got them all over your face and she keeps putting them in. We're back from strawberry picking for the day, and we're doing some of the other chores that we have. Namely, we're working on cleaning out the chicken coop. Jackie's behind me doing that right now. We use a deep litter method in the chicken coop, so it doesn't get cleaned out as frequently as a non-deep litter. But when it does get cleaned out, you can see big old pile there, cart behind me. Really, a lot comes out. You might say, if you have a homestead, a farm, you know, whatever, why would you be having somebody else, or why would you be going strawberries and picking them somewhere else? And the answer to that is really straightforward. We like canning strawberry jam. We like making things out of strawberries. Emma eats a lot of strawberries. And our little patch that you see right here behind us, it doesn't sustain doing all the things with strawberries that we would like to do. Although I do see something pretty cool. Look what you just got.
P1.
That's the first one of the year. What else? Look over there. Look over there.
Yeah.
How many is that? Come here, let's look over here.
Go there.
Let's see if we see any more.
I have one more. I hear one.
Oh, what's here? Oh, what's down there? Pick that one. Come here, show the camera. What did we get? Let me show me all the berries. Wow.
Show Mom.
Let's go show Mom.
Oh my goodness! Look at all those strawberries! Wow! That's awesome!
There's for Mommy. Daddy'll eat this one.
Oh man. Delish.
So sweet.
Mm-hmm. Yum.
You want another one? This is the first strawberries from the garden for 2021. Cheers. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah. And that right there is why we go to another farm to pick strawberries every year, even though we have our own strawberry patch. We got 5 strawberries from our patch today, and while it's an ever-bearing variety, Gurney's Whopper is the variety that we have planted. While that's gonna give strawberries all summer, the amount of strawberries that it gives is not, you're not getting tons of strawberries every day. So for us, having 5 strawberries a day from our own garden is enough for fresh eating, but when we can and we want to do other things and cook with them, we need to get our strawberries from somewhere else. Luckily for us, we live in southern New Hampshire, and here there are tons of small local farms that we're able to visit, and we can pick our own strawberries in the early spring. We can pick our own blueberries a little bit later in summer. We can pick our own peaches and apples as we move into fall. We really live in a place where there's a very active small farm community, and if we don't have enough space or time to grow something for ourselves, there are lots of people around that we're able to support and procure through them.
What are you doing?
So every time we empty out the chicken coop, we also bomb it with a pyrethrin-based treatment called Dairy Bomb from Dervit. That's it right there. It's a pyrethrin based, so it's safe around people and food. Obviously we don't do it with the chickens in there. It's just when we clean everything out, and we just basically empty half the can into the coop, close the doors up, and let it chill out for like a half hour. Now comes arguably what was a bigger chore, and maybe I should have done first, but I procrastinated. Behind me down there, behind the IBC totes, you can see the pigs. They've been in that enclosure way too long at this point. We messed up. It's our fault that they're there. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to set up their new fence, or part of their new fence. I'm not going to do their full enclosure right now, but I'm going to set up part of it. And that part involves moving all the stuff you see behind me. It's actually not that much. It's the IBC totes. The trailer does have to get moved, a little utility trailer, and all this other stuff actually can stay right on this side of it. But it's going to go up kind of behind the IBC totes from where we are, in front of that maple log, in front of that maple log over there, and then from back over that way, kind of along the side of the garage where we've got a bunch of, not junk, but just stuff that we need to find a permanent home for. It's going to shoot into the woods from there, come back down the woods, and then back out to where they are now. Today, what I'm going to try to do, I've got tomorrow morning off. I'm going to try and set as much as I can through the woods, and then out here. I'm going to see if I can just get the fence line set where I want to put it, and then tomorrow I can string it up and attach it and let the pigs out. Get started on moving all this stuff first, and then we'll start hammering T-posts. Got the side of the driveway cleaned out here. Let me give you a quick tour of what I think the fence is gonna look like tentatively before I get in there and really start putting T-posts in the ground. So from that white bucket right there on the T-post, that's the charger. And the fence is going to run almost in a straight line from there over to there where those ferns are, right about there. These are the ferns I just pointed out. From probably this side of the old piece of plywood, I'll pull this out. We're going to trim all these beech branches back. And then this is where we'll take the fence into the woods. And then from right there, run the fence line straight through here. Obviously be a little bit of cleanup needed. But we can run the fence right to here. Which you can actually see was our fence line 2 years ago with the pigs. They had this whole area here. So we'll be coming from right there, straight shot pretty much to here. And then from here, we'll run down this kind of corridor here. Obviously, there'll be a little bit of cleanup involved in this. Oh, this way. You can see what's back here. And once we get here, it's pretty much a straight shot back to where the pigs are now, which is right there. So I'm going to end it for today because the sun's starting to go down. We've still got some cleanup to do, and we've got a whole bunch of strawberries that we have to clean, get in freezer bags, and take care of tonight. Some will be fresh, but a lot of them are going to go in the freezer, and we're going to make jam out of them later on. Are they going after your toes?
No, because my new method is from out there, I throw a little bit of feed this way and then they run instead of going after my toes. Especially now that they're polished. They're gonna think they're little strawberries.
Emma's up in bed.
Yay.
Jackie and I are gonna go have some dinner, so that's where we're gonna end this video. Did you have fun today?
Yeah. Tired, but fun.
Yeah, it was a long day. It's a big day to do as much chorin as we did and still have like fun by going to pick berries. So
yeah,
thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.